Aria patiently waiting for me to open this box. She has a friend in here, but she doesn't know who. So let's go ahead and see who's in this box. Let's get this right. Okay, I think we're good. Here's our Teeny Tinkers box, you guys. Let's see. You don't need to see that. Okay. So let's read my note real quick. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. That's that. Okay, so everything should be here. So first we have the 6mm grab bag eyes that I got. I was originally thinking about changing Ari's eyes to maybe the green ones, but I kind of like her dark eyes that she has, so I don't know right now. But I wanted to go ahead and get these for any future babies that come up. See, we got some extra goodies here. We have some other eyes that Rosie made, I'm hoping and guessing. And we have this baby and this baby. We have 2 babies. And our business card. And we'll do this last. Let's get to the babies. Let's move the eyes. Okay. And we got this really cute Rosie, I think knits or crochets. I never get them right. But this is really cute. I like it. It's a shirt. So, okay, let's get these babies. Ooh, someone's head came off. You gotta put that back on. Okay. Okay. Scissors. I think I should be able to just, okay, pull these off. Let's do our legs next. So, here's baby. She's a really nice blue color. Let's see her cute face. You just take this off. You take it off. There's that face. Oh my goodness. Look at that cute face, you guys. Look at that. She is so adorable. And these ears. So cute. Okay. So that's baby one. Friend for Miss Aria. Okay. I don't need this. Let's go ahead. Let me open you up here. Okay. Look at these legs. Look at these legs. Let's see, can we pull these off? Yeah. And this little beauty is our Ice Queen. I don't know why her head came off, but I'll have to find a way to attach it. I've never strung, restrung, or anything like that. But there's her cute little face. So it's supposed to be like so, basically. So I'm going to figure out how I can attach her head, so then we can go ahead and get them both dressed. So if I'm able to figure it out soon, we'll pick up shortly. If not, we'll pick up again later. So they're the babies. I'm super happy with them, and I can't wait to get them dressed and all cute. So we'll be back hopefully soon. I figured it out all by myself, you guys. So she is all put together. See, I did it. Yay. So now we're gonna go through these clothes and wigs and see what looks good on who. And then last, we will open this, because these are for these slim MSD dolls. So that'll be last, but I love these beauties. I'm so happy I was able to get them. At first, when Rosie said she was doing a doll release on April 1st, April Fool's Day, I actually thought it was a joke, but when 10 o'clock came and I saw that dolls were actually available, I originally got Baby, and I was gonna buy a Ice Queen kit, but there were no kits for Ice Queen, so I just decided to go ahead and get her. So Aria has two friends now. We're gonna get them dressed and get some pictures taken. So we will be back, you guys. Okay guys, here are the girls. So let me go ahead and introduce you officially. That's Clover. That's Aria, of course. And this is gonna be Chloe. Didn't want to have two Clovers, and Chloe's as close to Clover as I can get creatively wise. So let's finish opening the other things that we got in our box. We got this, and I actually realized I ordered these 6mm grab bag eyes, and these were actually a gift from Rosie, which I appreciate. These are D grade 10 to 14mm eyes, so I can use these for any future dolls that I have coming along. Let's go ahead and open this real quick. But I started this unboxing, I think it was 1:45, and it is now 6:54. So I did a lot with them. I changed their eyes, I changed their wigs, but I think I'm happy with the eyes and the wigs that they have for now. So let's go ahead and get to this. So again, these were clothes that I ordered for Slim MSG dolls, hoping they will fit either Java or the minifeeds. Okay, what's this? Oh, guess this is for the teeny tinies. This was another gift from Rosie, so this is going to be cute on one of the girls. And I actually found this in the box also. I think it came out of this bag because I didn't order this, but it's really cute and it fits Clover perfectly. So I might put this on Chloe. I would just have to find some pants for her to wear because this is not going to work with her shorts. So we got that for them. I loved the colors that she used to make this. Wish it came in my size because I would definitely wear this. But I think the minifeeds will look cute in this. Basic pullover sweater, which I thought was cute. And since green used to be my favorite color, I thought this was really cute. It's basically short set, just lounge around the house, goes over the head. So I like this, it was really cute. So those are our goodies from Rosie and our eyes, and I love everything. I'm gonna go ahead and end with the pictures of the girls. I took some pictures outside of them, took some pictures inside, and some other little video things that I did with them. So that is it. I hope you love the girls as much as I do, and I cannot wait for more teeny tinies, and definitely am looking forward to Soda Pop. She looks really cute. After looking at the complexions that are going to be available, I think I'm going to go with the root beer color / flavor. It was really pretty color that Rosie showed on her IG Instagram. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and end for now. Lola and I are going to play with the dolls some more. And we will see you guys later. Bye, guys.